SpinOlution.
How to balance your SpinOlution Echo or Mach Series drive wheel. It is not necessary to balance your wheel if you have a slight wobble that does not affect function. The only time you will need to adjust your drive wheel is if you are having functional issues, if your drive band is popping off the back of your flyer, or if your drive wheel is rubbing against the back of your spinning wheel base, then you will need to balance your wheel. First, remove the drive band and locate the hole in the back of your wheelbase. Sticking your screwdriver through the hole, unscrew the screws by a quarter turn to loosen the drive wheel. Using your thumb as a guide, gently press on the back of the drive wheel to remove the wobble. Once your drive wheel is no longer rubbing on the back of your wheelbase, insert your screwdriver through the hole and tighten those 3 screws in the back of your drive wheel. This is also excellent maintenance to do each year. Making sure that these 3 screws are tight will keep your drive wheel balanced for years to come. Once you've tightened the screws, double-check the alignment of your drive wheel. If it is not rubbing on the back of the base, you are ready to put your drive band on. Now, put the drive band on. Notice on this Mach, the drive band automatically aligns to the groove based on which whirl I put it on. The drive band is no longer popping off, and the drive wheel is no longer rubbing on the back of the wheel. This drive wheel is balanced, it's functioning perfectly, and I am ready to start spinning.